Microsoft Teams is more than a virtual meetings app. With Microsoft Teams, you can collaborate with your team securely using audio, video, chat, live document editing, and even share files using built-in cloud storage. Teams offers a variety of subscription plans for both home and business that include different features that you can have access to. You or your company will need to have one of the paid Microsoft 365 subscription plans to access most of the features. The Microsoft Teams app is available to download on both iOS and Android. For this training series, we will be using a Samsung Galaxy A12 phone using Android version 11. A lot of the components will be similar and can be applied to any Android smartphone. However, do note available screens and settings may vary by software version, phone model, and even your cellular service provider. Let's jump in and get started by setting up your Microsoft Teams account.